A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling on Friday, the Supreme Court upheld a decision that prevents the Trump administration from summarily deporting alleged Venezuelan gang members, highlighting serious concerns over due process. The court's 7-2 decision follows a rushed attempt by the government to remove immigrants from the United States without providing adequate notice or the necessary legal information to contest their deportation. The justices emphasized that a mere 24-hour notice, lacking vital information about how to exercise due process rights, is insufficient. This ruling specifically impacts Venezuelan immigrants detained in Texas under the Wartime Alien Enemies Act, a law dating back to 1798. The court's decision reiterates the need for detainees to have sufficient time and information to seek legal counsel and challenge their deportation. The administration's approach has been met with legal challenges across the country, particularly after the deportation of dozens of Venezuelans to a notorious prison in El Salvador, where reports of torture and abuse are prevalent. Legal representatives for the detainees argue that many of those deported had no criminal records and were in the U.S. legally, with pending asylum claims. The Supreme Court's ruling maintains a temporary block on deportations while lower courts evaluate the legality of the government's use of the Alien Enemies Act. The justices have previously indicated that while the president can utilize this law, it must be done in a manner that respects constitutional rights. The Trump administration has faced backlash for its aggressive immigration policies, and this ruling marks another setback in its efforts to expedite deportations. The dissenting opinions from Justices Alito and Thomas raised concerns about the court's jurisdiction and the implications of granting class-wide relief. As the legal battle continues, the Supreme Court has made it clear that due process must be upheld, ensuring that immigrants are not removed from the country without a fair opportunity to contest their status. This ruling is expected to have far-reaching implications for immigration policy and the rights of detained individuals as the courts further examine the government's actions under the Alien Enemies Act. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.